How to maintain the layout of your position keyframes in Davinci Resolve after you have sped up the clip. Because, for example, if I want to speed up this clip, change clip speed, and type in a different value, let's say 170, if I click the change button, these keyframes will look totally different. Click on change, and they are missing and they are in a different location. Okay, so how to maintain their position, their layout. When you right click on that clip and go here to change clip speed, don't just type in the value, let's say that one, but switch from maintain timing to stretch to fit. And after I click on the change button, the layout of those keyframes will be highly identical to the current one, but the length of the clip will be shorter. Click on change and they look roughly the same. The same thing here. Right click on the clip, change clip speed. Here it is already modified because I used it there. Type in a different speed, let's say 170, and change. And those will be maintained, but compressed a little bit.